With good news for today from Baptist Press, I'm Brandon Porter. In defense of parental rights, the Ethics and Religious Liberty Commission and the Baptist Convention of Iowa signed on to a friend of the court brief November 10th with the 8th Circuit Court of Appeals based in St. Louis. The brief asked the appeals court to reverse a federal judge's ruling and issue an injunction barring enforcement of a policy by a school district in eastern Iowa. The Linn-Mar Community School District, headquartered in Marion, instituted a policy in April of this year regarding the treatment of transgender students. In part, the policy bars the district from informing others, including parents, of a student's transgender status unless he or she provides authorization or is legally required, such as in the case of national standardized tests. By concealing the transgender status of students, the school district violates parental rights in two fundamental ways, according to the brief. The policy infringes on the parental rights to direct the care and education of their children, including what school they attend, and it infringes on their due process protections. Scripture-engaged Americans give more to churches and charities than others, reaping more hope and purpose through the process. That's according to the American Bible Society in their 2022 State of the Bible report. Those considered Scripture-engaged gave $145 billion to charity in 2021, including church tithes and offerings, or around $2,900 per household. That's compared to $924 per household among those who describe themselves as Bible disengaged. The ABS determines Scripture engagement based on a set of questions, gauging how often a person reads the Bible and how Scripture impacts their choices.
Good News for Today is made possible through our friends at the Voice of the Martyrs, a nonprofit organization that serves persecuted Christians around the world. Founded in 1967 by Richard and Sabina Wurmbrand, VOM is dedicated to inspiring believers to deepen their commitment to Christ and to fulfill His Great Commission, no matter the cost. Find out more and sign up for their free monthly magazine at vom.org/goodnews.
Most estimates put the number of children and teens in foster care at 400,000 at any time across the U.S. Send Relief's Family Advocacy Ministry is trying to tackle the problem one child and one church at a time. In fact, FAM is hosting a webinar November 15th for those who want to learn more about how their church can help. You can find more in our story at baptistpress.com. While you're there, make sure to sign up for our morning and afternoon emails. They'll be delivered right to your inbox every day. Thanks for listening to Good News for Today.